Getting enough water every day is important for your health. The most important thing is that the water people drink and use for other purposes is pure. This ensures that the water must be clean and free of germs and chemicals. Drinking water quality in Pakistan is declining day by day as a result of an alarming rise in population and rapid industrialization. Terrorism and natural disasters are not the causes of the largest number of deaths in Pakistan. Rather, the lack of healthy drinking water is the leading cause of deaths. Bad water quality is thought to be responsible for 30% of all diseases and 40% of all deaths in Pakistan. Since there have been little to no incentives of industry to manage their effluents, the issue of industrial water contamination has remained uncontrolled. As sewage pollution of drinking water is a significant environmental health concern in Pakistan, the Pakistani government is currently installing drinking water filters throughout the country. Regular inspections of existing treatment plants must be maintained and upgraded in Pakistan.